The collision experience our people endured at the hands of Cook and his crew marks the beginning of our decline. The missionaries arrived in 1814 with a duty to convert our people to God, an attempt to conquer our minds, bodies and land. By 1839, the mission had spread to kaupapa in the heart of Rongowhakaata. In 1865, our biggest forest estate, Pipi Whākau, was burnt to the ground. Our waterways polluted and our wetlands drained and turned into rubbish dumps. In 1867, the government stole Te Hauki Tūranga, which had a profound impact on our people. The decline of our heritage, language, art and customs were to follow. In the 1860s, there was a total shift in power, autonomy and independence set during a time of Great War. The most devastating was the siege of Ngātapa in 1868, where hundreds of our people were massacred. Land theft, slavery and genocide followed. Within 100 years, Toiroa's prophecy had come true. This is our collision story.